Okay, on to the next pair. Again, really happy with how it turned out. There's a little bit of pitting up here, but no visible orange peeling that I can see. So that there is still a part of that surface, textured surface. The light shines it up there. Remember how with these ones here, I had that paint remnants there, and then I hot flocked them. But that's turned out really well. So that there has covered it up. So that's a really good method. This one here has got a little bit left over. It'll be fine because the strap will come up around this one. But if I just sort of sprayed the powder down there, that would have covered that up as well. So I must have missed that in my haste. This one looks good, so completely covered up with this one here. And the same as again there. So yeah, really happy with those results. Sorry about the light. Hopefully this white background is helping. Alright, on to the last piece.